Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to generate your infrastructure template using AI and deploy it in the cloud automatically. I'm going to use MistralAI for GenAI, AWS as a cloud provider, and Python for the orchestration. The process is very simple. With Python, I will ask Mistral to generate a CloudFormation template to deploy an EC2 server. Next, I will deploy the CloudFormation template in AWS. And finally, I will try to connect to the EC2 server with SSH. For this project, I have already created some functions that I will use in my AI interface Python file. The first function is to deploy a CloudFormation template. This function will take the template and the stack name. I will get the access key from the environment. I will create AWS session. After I will create a client to deploy CloudFormation, I will create the stack, and I will create a loop to check the status of the stack. And the loop will break when the stack is terminated. I will take the output of the stack and I will look for the public IP of the VM, and I will print it. Okay, first thing to do is to activate our Python environment. Activate. I will install MistralAI because I will use Mistral as a GenAI. Nice. Now AI interface. So the first thing to do is our imports. MistralAI import Mistral, and of course I will import my CloudFormation function. Import deploy template. I will create a function called send request. This function will take my message, my request, and send it to Mistral AI. So it will create a Mistral client with the API key that I will store in my OS environment, and it will send the request to Mistral AI and returns the response content. The second function will be the main function. It will orchestrate the process. So I will ask the user to put his request, and I will take the request, send it to send request function. I will receive a template. I will print the template and ask the user if the template is okay or he's okay to deploy it in AWS. And if the answer is yes, I will call my deploy template. I will pass the template and the stack name. I call it test AI, and it will deploy it in my my AWS account and returns and print the public IP of the instance. So now let's test our AI interface. Please enter a cloud request. So the cloud request, I would like to create a virtual machine in AWS. The virtual machine will have a public IP, the virtual machine, and I give it the image ID. The network interface will be linked to the subnet, and I have given the subnet ID, the security group ID, the SSH key name, and the output will be the public IP address of the VM, and the output name will be public IP. And I'm telling MistralAI print only the YAML template without the text, to have only the template. You can see here it's asking if I'm okay with this template or not. So it seems good. He printed the template, the correct template in AWS. I will tell him yes. And now he will create a stack in AWS. And you can see here in my AWS account, the stack is in progress, test AI. And the tooling is waiting for the creation of the stack. Now stack is completed and we have the public IP address of the VM. Let's test it. SSH. ID AWS SSH key EC2 user. Yes, and it works.